to God Almighty and know that His voice is heard. What a wonder it is that He understands my silent tears as if they were words. High above the chaos, a whisper is so clear. The sweetness of His presence echoes, He is near. I wouldn't waste my time if I didn't believe it. I tell you it works because I have seen it. It's inexplainable yet so incredible, attainable anytime, anywhere. A simply marvelous, supernatural, awesome power of prayer. He already knows what I'm gonna ask and what His answer will be, but He loves the communion of